Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we set guys name password in our Tecno phone device. Friends, you want to set your phone name password in your Tecno phone. So how can you set today? I will show you. I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we set name password lock in our Tecno phone device. So friend, we will on our phone setting guys. After phone setting guys, scroll it. Then click on guys your phone security setting. We will click on guys phone security setting. Friends, again scroll it. Friends, you can see screen lock. Guys, tap here. Friends, you can see your password. Guys, tap here. Guys, next option. Friends, you can see your name password lock setting. So example for guys, I will take guys my name. But guys, be careful guys. Don't do any mistake guys. If you do any mistake guys, you will have to reset your phone, because guys you can see there is no any option to check our pin. So that's why guys I am telling you guys, be careful guys, don't do any mistake guys. So I will enter it my name guys, password guys, and friends come back. Friends, you can see guys we have this name password lock in our Tecno phone. So when we will enter our password to unlock our phone guys, you can see I will enter my password to unlock my phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.